blocks away from the party. Jen. Hey everyone, so I'm out here packing, getting ready, about to head to the airport in a few hours. Actually have to be at the airport in a few hours, but I'm going to Los Angeles, California because Heal Los Angeles Foundation is hosting their first ever King of Popcorn event, and they're doing this during December, so it's super exciting, super cool, because for me it's like a holiday event. It's my holiday trip. And yeah, we're gonna be watching a movie at Havenhurst, inside of Havenhurst. As a traveler, I've been to Havenhurst, well, the gates many times, but it's actually my first time setting foot into the property, and I'm super excited about it. I can't wait. I'm sure it's gonna be amazing, and yeah, I'm kind of nervous, but I'm kind of excited about it because I don't know what my reaction is. Like, I dreamt about this. I dreamt of seeing the property. I've seen it with other vlogs, but it's my first time seeing it for myself, so that's a whole experience in itself. I can't wait. Oh man, I can't wait. So yep, gotta pack, gotta get ready, because I gotta head out there. The holidays is gonna be super packed, super crazy. Yeah, so let's see how it goes. They have the Grinch. My favorite. That is so cute. And then they have more over here. They have the Grinch right here. They have the Grinch up there. So cute. Look at all this. Look, they have it decorated. How cute. I love it. And it's actually my gate. How cool. Come on now. This is just perfect. So excited, so happy about this. I am in Atlanta, and from here I have to get a connecting flight in San Antonio, then I head out to LA. See you guys there. So now I'm doing a layover in San Antonio, and we are about to board to head over to LA. So yeah, so it should be around 2 p.m.-ish in LA. So let's see what I come up with, because there's no plans, no schedule. So let's see. I can't wait. I'm super excited. Yeah. At least I'm in boarding group A. Alright, so I made it. I parked, and I am walking to the Havenhurst compound for the King of Popcorn event, which is pretty cool, pretty awesome. Can't wait. It's the first time that they're hosting this event, and it's pretty cool. Super excited to be part of the first ever event, not the last one. Here's the location. Look at that. Here we go. Whoa. After so many days, after so many times of just standing in front of the gate, here we are in the gate. Hello, hi. Whoa. Hello. Hi. Hello. Sure. Can I drop this right here? Click right here. on. How gorgeous is this? I mean, what a dream. Ma'am.
Don't see the clouds.
Oh, wow. This is beautiful all around. I can't believe I'm actually in here. House right there. What a dream. What a dream.
This so bad about during Thriller Night when they had the haunted house.
Oh, yeah.
I walked the entire way through it. I had my eyes closed.
Hey, I don't blame you.
Yeah. I'm like, I walked through the entire house, but I had my eyes closed.
Alright guys, so we are inside. Super excited. I can't believe I'm finally in here after so many times that I stood in front of the gate. To actually be inside is incredible. I mean, it's so awesome to be in here. Finally, a dream come true to me. Thank you to Prince and John for hosting this event for the holidays. What a great Christmas gift. I mean, and thank you to this guy, most definitely for inspiring a lot of stuff and for being an inspiration, getting me traveling out here, because if it wasn't for Michael, I would have never traveled to LA, at least not as often as I have. So thank you, Michael, for that. Popcorn. So gonna have it the MJ way. Spray butter. And Tabasco sauce. Because Michael had to have this. It was a must. So they're hooking us up with popcorn. Alright, all for MJ. Let's do this. Okay. Thank you guys so much. Tabasco. Oh, Michael. All right. Never had popcorn like this. Okay. Okay. Okay, I see you, Mike. On to something. All right. Here we go. Awesome. So good. Ready?
Oh, why would they change the song on us? Oh no, you gotta jump back when I hit you. Jump back.
Wait, I'm gonna get that. Hold on. Let me put this right here. Okay, hold on. You gotta get that.
All right.
got to be ready. Too high to get over. Yeah, yeah. Too low to get under. You're stuck in the middle. Get over. Too low to get under. You're stuck in the middle. And the pain is under. To the doctor with the fever. Hey! 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 Hey!
I dropped my cupcake. It's okay. No, it's not.
We'd love to see that. We would love to see that, Jack. Jack, we'd like to see.
Sorry it got so cold, y'all. I don't know how some of y'all are doing it. Is everybody cozy at least? It's cold, huh? Mucho frío. I have some of the students over at Laredo Street, some of the families working on my Spanish with me, so it's been a pleasure. I'm really glad to see so many familiar faces. Thank you again to the families, to the fans, and to everybody who's here tonight. Please give us your feedback. John's told me that there will be a survey. I'm going to turn it over to him, so we'll be able to do that. But thank you so much for coming out on a Friday night. We do appreciate your time. We appreciate you being here with us and just sharing in the love that is my father, that is his legacy, and the foundation that is Heal Los Angeles. So thank you guys so much, and we look forward to seeing you at the next one.
Thank you.
And now John. He's dressed down.
Thank you, Prince. Thank you. As Prince mentioned, we just want to thank everyone for your support, for coming out tonight. I will be sending out a Google form feedback just to get your overall feedback so we can improve for next year. But this was our first soft opening, so thank you guys again for supporting us.
Loud anyways, I'm so loud.
Thank you so much, and thank you for everything.
Thank you. I appreciate y'all.
I had a great time. I can't believe it. How you feel?
Lord, look. I had so much fun.
Oh, I can't believe it.
I can't believe I actually came out here.
I know.
I can't believe I actually got to come out here.
Extra half an hour, so that's
But I am happy.
We took show your popcorn.
Look at this. John, he gave me all of this. And I got a bag full of, I'm gonna get some to the front desk, guys.
So here's mine: popcorn, hot sauce, spray butter. Because you gotta do it like MJ. So the end.
Oh, okay.
I can't believe it. We're here. We made it. So fortunate, so blessed. Thank you, John. Thank you, Prince. Thank you, everybody who made this happen.
They got no sidewalks.
See you next time.
Stay close. Okay, I caught that on camera too.